In this video, I'm breaking down why your roofing sales might be stalling and how to flip the script to start closing contracts like a pro. Alright, so here's the real talk. If you're out there knocking 6 days a week for 5 to 8 hours and only scoring free inspections without any contracts, it's time to switch up your hustle. First, check your pitch. Are you coming off too salesy? People can smell that a mile away and shut the door before you even finish your intro. Instead, focus on building quick rapport, ask questions about their roof, and listen more than you talk. Know your neighborhood vibe too. Is it wealthy, middle class, or lower income? That shapes how you approach the conversation and what you focus on, like insurance claims or straight-up retail sales. Always have a quote ready before you knock so you look prepared and professional, not just a random guy with a clipboard. Practice pricing roofs by eye so you can give homeowners an estimate on the spot. It shows confidence and builds trust. And remember, every no gets you closer to a yes, so don't get discouraged. Keep track of what works and what doesn't, then tweak your strategy fast. One of the biggest mistakes I see rookies make is treating every lead the same without customizing their approach based on the homeowner's situation or neighborhood. Another common slip-up is relying too much on free inspections without pushing for the next step. If you're not moving from inspection to contract talk, you're stuck. Lastly, not having a clear, prepared quote before knocking is a huge missed opportunity because it makes you look unprepared and less trustworthy. Fix these by researching your client's background before you knock, always ask for the sale or next step after the inspection, and come armed with pricing info so you can make decisions fast. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, making it easier for folks to find help without the headache. Plus, if you're a contractor grinding for work, they help you get leads that match your skills and keep your pipeline flowing.